Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you cannot use this feature right now on Facebook. So guys, if you have not violated any community guidelines on Facebook but you are unable to post or comment from your Facebook account and you are unable to use some features on your Facebook account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply take a screenshot of this problem on your device, and after this you have to go back and now you have to open your Facebook and then tap on menu button, and from here you have to log out your Facebook account for one time from your device, and after this you have to log in your account again on your Facebook on your device. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply tap on help and support from here, and after this tap on report a problem and then tap on report or continue to report, and after this tap on include, and now scroll it below all the way and tap on other, and from here you have to upload your screenshot of that problem. Here you can see this, simply tap on upload from phone, and after this you have to simply upload that screenshot which you have taken, and after this in this box you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, and you have to simply explain it that you have not violated any community guidelines on Facebook but you are facing this issue and you are unable to use certain features on your Facebook account. So guys, simply explain your problem in a brief way in this box, and after this tap on send button from here. So guys, the Facebook team will review your problem and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours if you have not violated any community guidelines. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.